Now, in Kemet's 6th dynasty, during the period 2345 years to 2181 years before Christ is born, also known as the Memphite dynasty, we see the 12-year reign of King Sehetep Towiteti, followed by the rule of King Mereri Pepi I, who reigns for 49 years. During the period 2173 years to 2160 years before Christ was born, we witness Kemet's 8th dynasty with the first reign of King Wachkare Pepi Sombe, who reigns for 4 years. Then we see the reign of King Neferkamin Anu, who reigns for 2 years. Then we see the construction of a small pyramid near Saqqara by King Kahareibi. And then we see a 2-year reign by King Neferkare. Then Neferkahor Kakupuibi reigns just under 2 years. Then the Asiatics settle in northern Kemet and cause widespread internal disorder. The 9th Kemetic dynasty sees the rule of King Keti. This is the son of King Tefibi. He is the treasurer who had very strong bonds with the Heracleopitan dynasty. Then comes the rule of King Keti II. Then we go into Kemet's 10th dynasty. This is the era between 2160 years to 2130 years before Christ is born. Here we see the reign of King Neferkare, who is followed by King Keti III, who is then followed by King Merikare, who closes off the 10th Kemetic dynasty.
So, tribe, support our Sons of SOU channel. You know we're bringing the light. Like. Because you care, share. And don't wait another moment. Comment. So, tribe. Subscribe. Let us know Mambo on our socials below. Sawa? Kwaheri, So tribe.